रंगी गुब्बारों से मंडप सजाया है, माखन मिश्री का भी केक मंगाया है। इसको चखेगा क्या तू 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 तू। हम सब बोलेंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम सब बोलेंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Because it's my Kanha's birthday today. Yes, it's Janmashtami. So, a hearty welcome to all of you in this very super special video diary. Just stay tuned now. Don't run away. I know I must be sounding more crazy than ever. But yeah, please bear now. Come on. Just stay with me till the end. Okay, thank you. Now let's start. Kanha. His name itself beholds more love than the whole universe could ever contain. Let's revisit the lanes of his heart to remember the lessons he tried to teach us throughout his lifetime. And the first and foremost comes the liveliness. His twinkling eyes always gleamed with naughtiness. He never let the magic of his liveliness die. And so should we. We shouldn't die before death. We should try to keep the life alive in the breaths and running heartbeats. Yeah. We all have the same magic. We all have a little Kanha hidden inside our heartbeats. Yeah, he's hidden in some corner of our heart. And we should try to stay as alive as possible, no matter how hard the life is. Just spread as much love and happiness as you can throughout the journey of this life. Smiles are special, just like yours, just like others. It's easy to make someone cry. It's easy to break someone's heart. But it's difficult to make someone smile and fix someone's heart. Just that soul thing, you know. Stay kind and stay alive. And with this, we shall move on to the second lesson, and that is friendship. A true friend is a companion for life, the one who never leaves us. But don't base your friendship on the basis of caste, race, or religion, or even status. Just let the purity survive and stay true to your amazing friend. You never know who may come as a blessing in your life, just like our little Krishna, who kept friendship before anything and everything. Now let's go a little deeper into the heartbeats of our Nannu Laddu Gopal. Yes. Can you see his love? His Radha resides there. The one who is the goddess of love. The one whose name itself helps all to attain moksha. Truly speaking, I am falling short of words to describe their eternal bond. Let's just say they are not two, but one. Their love is pure. It's divine. The tears of Radha sprinkled from Kanha's eyes, and the smiles of Kanha adorned Radha's lips. How special is that bond? Perhaps no words would ever be enough to describe their love. They didn't just love each other but worshipped each other in true sense. Kanha put Radha before him, and Radharani unknowingly started dancing to the tune of his flute, the tune of his love, the tune of his heartbeats. They breathed not for themselves but for each other, teaching all how true love actually makes you live in the most beautiful way. And now let's jump on to the fourth lesson, and that is devotion. We all have heard work is worship, but tell me truly, do we really treat our work as worship? Do we really adhere to the work commitments we make? Speaking about me, I worry more and work less. Yeah. But you know what Kanha says? कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. Which means just perform your duties with full honesty without worrying about the good or bad outcome. Leave everything to Lord Krishna. Just focus upon your karma. Do good deeds with full devotion. Allow your life to become an unsung prayer to the Lord Krishna. Last but definitely not the least, fifth and the most beautiful lesson, sacrifice. Our Radhe Krishna ji symbolizes true love and at the same time depicts sacrifice. Their life was full of sacrifices, pains. You must have heard, nothing comes for free. There's always a cost, a price you have to pay. So, how much are you willing to pay for your dreams, goals, and aspirations? Well, the bigger the dream, the bigger the sacrifice. But have faith. The nights may be dark and storms fatal, but our Kanha eventually comes and helps those who keep walking, who keep moving forward, having faith on the devotion and efforts. So that was all for today. I hope I didn't bore you much. Whatever the case be, thank you for staying up till here with me, and don't forget to wish our little Kanha a very happy birthday from the bottom of your heart. Trust me, true wishes reach the beats of his heart. So wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. May Lord Krishna keep showering his blessings upon one and all. Just stay blessed and keep smiling always. Goodbye for now. Here I'm signing off. Mahima Dua Urf Moni.